This man was working on a factory machine when it grabbed him. Take a look. While on his routine task on a large machine, this worker accidentally places his hand on a rolling component and was pulled into the machine. Other co-workers rushed to assist him. This video highlights the importance of proper staff training before they are allowed to handle large machines, and the importance of following safety precautions when working around large machines. This worker was standing beside a stack of wooden materials, and what followed was unexpected. The worker had been waiting near the pile when the truck beside it moved away, shaking the stack loose. The stack came down on him. This video highlights why heavy materials should always be secured and the importance of using safe stacking technique. A worker was fixing a streetlight from an aerial lift when a passing truck struck the platform. Watch how it happened. The truck's top hit the platform's edge, snapping it apart and nearly throwing the worker off. Luckily, his safety harness saved him. This video highlights the importance of securing work areas to prevent unauthorized persons from having access. Two workers were fixing equipment from a large elevated lift when things suddenly took an unexpected turn. Watch how it happened. The lift began dropping uncontrollably as workers hung above. Others rushed to help before it caught on a support, leaving them dangling from harnesses. This video highlights the importance of regular lift inspections and always wearing secure safety gear when working on elevated platforms. This excavator operator made a critical error in judging the receiving machine's capacity. An excavator tried to lift a heavy stone onto another machine when the load's weight overpowered the equipment. The machine tipped, and the operator fell trying to escape. This highlights why operators must assess load weight and equipment stability before lifting. This worker placed his ladder incorrectly and fell. This worker was climbing a ladder positioned straight against a wall. The ladder's feet had no traction, causing it to slide out from under him and sending him down. This emphasizes why ladders must be set at a safe angle and on a stable, non-slip surface. A worker was picking something up behind a parked truck when things suddenly went wrong. Watch how it happened. As he bent down, the truck unexpectedly rolled backward, pinning him against a wall. This incident highlights the importance of securing parked vehicles and staying alert in active work zones. This worker was pushed from an elevated platform. This crane was being reversed off a trailer when its ramp failed, causing the entire machine to shake. The worker in the lift boom was thrown out but was saved by his fall protection gear. This shows why safety harnesses are lifesavers. These workers were standing on the ground when an overhead crane shifted unexpectedly, causing part of the equipment to fall. Watch how it happened. As workers stood below, a crane above suddenly shifted, sending equipment falling toward them. Some were caught in a dangerous spot, but it was quickly controlled. This video highlights the importance of strict safety zones and never standing beneath a lifting crane. These workers were handling gas cylinders when one suddenly burst loose. Watch how it happened. While working nearby, a gas cylinder disconnected and shot across the area like a rocket, releasing gas as workers ran for safety. This video highlights the importance of securing cylinders properly and ensuring valves are tightly closed before handling. This kitchen worker was serving customers when the entire table went up in flames. The worker had poured what she thought was water into a glass, but it turned out to be a flammable chemical stored wrongly. The liquid touched a nearby heat source and instantly ignited. This video shows why labeling and safe storage of liquids in kitchens are absolutely essential. This worker was loading goods on a conveyor belt system when he got pulled in. Take a look. The factory worker was moving goods with a belt conveyor when his leg got snagged in a little demarcation. This video shows why conveyor systems require strict safety guards and emergency stop mechanisms.